Do you guys want to load stuff in the truck, or do you want to start handing me stuff out here?
However you want, man. Convenient for you.
Let's just check licenses right here. Everybody's guns unloaded?
Yeah,
100%.
Who had the misfire this morning?
I did.
You know what time it was when you had that misfire?
It was like probably 20 minutes. It was dark though.
Yes, it was.
There's absolutely no way you can shoot anything with that.
So why would you want to have why would you want to be loading your gun?
In fact,
at that time
was loaded.
Yes.
And I had no idea that it was.
Right.
And I was just making sure, and boom, you know.
Right. Well, luckily for us, no one's dead.